So hello guys, this is Aishwarya
And this is Aloka, and
together we are the
Savage Bombix. Today we will be heading towards Jalpaiguri, which is our dad's office. Okhan theke we will go
to some of the historical places in Jalpaiguri, which most probably most of the people doesn't know.
and bole di kothay jacchi. We will go to Devi Chaudhurani's temple and we will go to Bhamri Devi's temple.
We will show you two places today. One is historical
And the other is mythological place.
and we will show you in the video. Also we will tell you, that means we will describe you the story behind both the places. I hope you will enjoy this video
And
because
baki kotha in the video we will
video
tell.
definitely in
আর
the
বেশি
video.
বলতে পারবো না।
Bye.
So for this also keep watching, don't skip and watch because আমরা অনেক কিছু explain করব ওখানে which many people doesn't know. I
And
think
I
many people
hope-
doesn't know about Devi Chaudhurani also.
Yeah, and I hope you people definitely, not you, definitely all people love stories.
I love history.
I love history a lot. I love mythological places, historical places, and I visited a lot of these places. We'll definitely try to cover two of them are few.
Hope
You'll
we-
enjoy it.
Yeah, also we hope that you will enjoy this video. You'll understand many details which many people doesn't know. So till then,
Watch the video.
bye.
Watch
Watch
the
the
video.
video.
And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated for our next video. So now we are heading towards Jalpaiguri. The weather was so nice and the breeze were so soothing. So it was totally a family trip. And now we reached the quarters, and now let's show you some cinematics.
আমরা এখন জলপাইগুড়িতে আছি and it's too sunny out here and my mom will cook today in জলপাইগুড়ি for the first time. গৃহপ্রবেশ এটা
বাজারে যাচ্ছি
এটা আমাদের কথা পিছনে মাছ আনতে যাচ্ছি আমরা বাজারে। এই যে উনি হাঁটা দিচ্ছে, ওনার মন মেজাজ ভালো নেই, so she will not be in the video right now. আমরা এখন বাজার করতে যাচ্ছি, বাজারে। Wear your masks everyone. যাই কেউ বাইরে যাবে, wear your mask. Mask is very important.
Then we took fish from this market, and which was our lunch. And now just look at the view from the balcony. So beautiful. After our lunch, we reached to Devi Chaudhurani's Mandir, which we described earlier. Many people are yet unaware of Devi Chaudhurani's history. Actually, she was a bandit queen who previously was known as Profunno. After her husband abandoned her, she took shelter at the house of Bhavani Pathak, and later she became the leader of gang of dacoits. She was very generous landlady, and she used to donate money to the peasants after looting it from the cruel landlords. This temple was actually established by her in the 19th century in the Goshala More of Jalpaiguri. It is believed that Devi Chaudhurani used to visit this temple regularly. দেবী চৌধুরানীর ব্যাপারে যতই বলবো ততই কম। অ্যাকচুয়ালি শি ওয়াজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ওমেন যে ব্রিটিশের আগেনস্টে আওয়াজ উঠিয়েছিল। আর আমরা এখন রাইট সাইডে দেখতে পাচ্ছি ওই টেম্পলটা which got burnt in 2018 and this was the temple where she used to come regularly and visit. আর কালী পূজা এখানে রেগুলার বেসিসে হয় এখনও আননোন ফ্যাক্ট যে কেন মন্দিরটা পুড়ে গিয়েছিল। অ্যান্ড লেট মি শো ইউ দ্য ভিউ। ওকে, অ্যান্ড এই টেম্পলটা নতুন তৈরি করেছে। অ্যান্ড here we are heading towards the temple. I'll show you ঠাকুরের মূর্তিটা। My dad is doing pranam now and it was the golden hour of the day. এত সুন্দর সান উঠেছিল। I'll show you the মূর্তি। বেশি উঠাতে পারিনি, জুম করে যতটা পেরেছি। ভবানী There's a river behind this tree, and I heard from my mom that whenever the enemies used to come to catch Devi Chodhrani, she used to run away from this river with her bajra, you can say, boat. The view was so amazing to watch. I could sit there for hours. There's a small stone out there. This banyan tree. There's the river that side. I'll show you after some time. এদিক থেকে দেখতে এভাবে এরকম লাগছে। Now see, the river is dry now. Many people know Devi Chodhrani as the character of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's novel. Now we are heading towards the Bhamri Devi's temple. And here we have reached. The Bhamri Devi's temple is one of the mythological pits. It is actually one of the 51 Shakti pits. And Sati's left leg fell at this place. Those who are well versed in the Hindu mythology would know that after King Daksha, who was Sati's father, publicly rebuked Shiva at his famous yagya, Sati could not take the insult of her husband and immolated herself in the fire of yagya. Shocked and numbed by the death of his beloved wife, Shiva carried the body of Sati in his arms and began his Tandav Nritya. The gods trembled in fear and sought Vishnu's help. He shot an arrow and split Sati's body into 51 parts, which fell all over India. Of all places in the country, Bengal has the highest number of Shakti Peeths, as many as 13.
আমি দেবীর মন্দিরে এসেছিলাম জলপাইগুড়িতে। প্রথমে দেবী চৌধুরানীর মন্দিরটা দেখলাম, তারপরে এখানে আসলাম, এসে দর্শন করলাম সব ঠাকুরের। অ্যান্ড দেন আই এম এন্ডিং দ্য ভিডিও রাইট হিয়ার বিকজ এরপর আমার মনে হয় না ভিডিও করা হবে, বিকজ অন্ধকার হয়ে গেছে। লাইক, শেয়ার, কমেন্ট অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব আওয়ার চ্যানেল। আর পরের ভিডিওস পাওয়ার জন্যে বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করো, পরে নোটিফিকেশনসগুলো ঢুকবে সব ভিডিও। দেখিয়ে দিই লাস্টে বলো বাবা। তো এন্ড করছি ভিডিওটা এখানেই। বাই গাইস, কিপ সাপোর্টিং আস, বাই।